What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to do a quick install on some tweeter speakers for the 15WX. So I'll show you guys how easy it is. It's going to be super quick. Alright, so go ahead and open this up. So since I already have the this Android head unit, and I already put kicker speakers in the front and the rear, I figured I'll go ahead and get the kicker tweeters also, just so I can have all new speakers. So I got these off of Subi Speed. They're about $100. So that's about how much they are everywhere else from what I've looked at online. Like they come with new screws. And then here's the actual speakers. Sorry for this crappy video. I'm like trying to hold this in. Alright. So here's what we got right here. There's a little more light. And your tweeters are going to be right in the corners. Right here up front. So these are the package. Alright, so first thing, I mean, if you have a plastic interior pry, I mean, you can use that to pop these up. I just use a flathead. It's really easy, so you're just gonna pop these off. And then you're just gonna have 2 screws on each tweeter speaker. So they're gonna be Phillips. So you're either gonna need a really short Phillips, or what I'm using is just a quarter inch ratchet with a 1/4 inch socket with a Phillips attachment on here. Alright guys, once you have those 2 screws off, you're just gonna unclip this clip right here, and that's it. And that one is out. Alright, so we're just gonna go ahead and plug in the new tweeter. Seat it right back in there. And it comes with these new screws, so go ahead and pop that cover back on, and that is it. And then we're just gonna go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. That's it for this install. I mean, it's super quick. It takes you maybe like 5 minutes to just switch both these tweeter speakers out. so you can just get that more clarity with the with your music. We're gonna have some more installs this week, so just like and subscribe to our channel. We got a couple more installs on. We got some coming up on the BRZ, and then I got a couple more things that I'm gonna install this week on the 15WX. So stay tuned, guys, and we'll be back with some more installs.